Hello, little explorers, and welcome to our wonderful world of animals. Are you ready for an adventure? Great. Let's go. Look over there, high up in the trees. It's a monkey. Monkeys love to swing from branch to branch. They have long tails that help them balance. What do monkeys love to eat? That's right, bananas. They peel them just like we do. Monkeys are super playful and live together in big families called troops. They chatter and call to each other, saying, "Ooh, ah, can you make a monkey sound with me? Ooh, ah, fantastic." Now, let's wade into the cool water. Do you see that big, grey animal with a long trunk? It's an elephant. Elephants are the biggest animals on land. Their long trunk is like a super special nose and hand all in one. They use it to breathe, to pick up food, and even to spray water. Splash elephants love to play in the water to cool down. They also have big, floppy ears. Can you flap your hands like elephant ears? They flap them like fans to stay cool. Elephants are very gentle and love their families. Let's be very quiet. Look at that majestic animal with the big fuzzy mane. It's a lion, the king of the jungle. Lions are big cats, and that fluffy hair around the boy lion's neck is called a mane. It makes him look very grand, doesn't it? Lions love to rest and sleep in the shade during the hot day, but when they're awake, they can let out a huge roar. Can you give me your best roar? Roar! Wow, that was powerful. Lions live in groups called prides, and they all work together to take care of the baby cubs. Let's look up, up, up. Can you see that tall animal with the super long neck? It's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the whole world. Their long necks help them reach the yummy leaves at the very top of the trees. Munch, munch, munch. Giraffes have beautiful spotted coats, and no two giraffes have the exact same pattern, just like our fingerprints. They walk with such grace. Let's stand up tall and stretch our necks like a giraffe. Reach for the sky. Now, let's waddle over to the icy, cold snow. Who's that black and white bird sliding on its tummy? It's a penguin. Penguins can't fly in the air, but they are amazing swimmers. They dive into the chilly water to catch fish. Splash, dive. They waddle on the ice, which is so fun to watch. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Can you waddle like a penguin? Penguins are great parents, and they huddle together in big groups to stay warm and cozy. Brr, it's chilly here. What a fantastic journey we've had today, meeting so many incredible animals. We saw the playful monkey, the giant elephant, the roaring lion, the tall giraffe, and the waddling penguin. Every animal is special and unique in its own way. The animal kingdom is full of amazing wonders, and we've only just begun to explore it. Thank you for joining our animal adventure today, my little friend. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you want to see more amazing animals and go on more exciting journeys, ask a grown-up to help you hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time for another wonderful adventure.